Module 14. Advanced Techniques for Mobile Device Forensics. Welcome to this tutorial on advanced techniques for mobile device forensics. In this video, we will explore advanced methods used in mobile device forensics, including bypassing device security measures and analyzing encrypted data. These techniques are crucial in obtaining access to protected information stored on mobile devices and extracting valuable evidence for forensic investigations. Let's begin by discussing the techniques used to bypass device security measures. Mobile devices are equipped with various security measures to protect user data. However, in forensic investigations, it may be necessary to bypass these security measures to access the device and extract evidence. Some common techniques include 1. Device unlocking. This involves bypassing device lock screens or passcodes to gain access to the device's user interface. Depending on the device and operating system, different methods such as brute forcing, password cracking, or utilizing manufacturer-specific bypass tools may be used. 2. Jailbreaking iOS or rooting Android. Jailbreaking iOS devices or rooting Android devices allows the investigator to gain privileged access, enabling the extraction of additional data and the installation of forensic tools. It is important to note that these techniques carry potential risks and may void device warranties. Now, let's explore the analysis of encrypted data on mobile devices. Encryption is commonly used to protect sensitive data on mobile devices. To analyze encrypted data, forensic investigators employ various techniques, such as 1. Encryption key extraction. This involves extracting encryption keys from the device's memory, file system, or encryption-specific databases. The extracted keys can then be used to decrypt the encrypted data and gain access to its contents. 2. Brute force or dictionary attacks. In cases where encryption keys cannot be directly extracted, brute force or dictionary attacks can be employed to systematically guess or try various combinations of keys until the correct one is found. This technique requires significant computational power and time, especially for strong encryption algorithms. 3. Password cracking. Password cracking techniques are used to recover or crack user passwords or PINs. These techniques involve the use of specialized software or tools that leverage computational power to perform exhaustive password guessing or dictionary attacks. Advanced techniques in mobile device forensics, such as bypassing device security measures and analyzing encrypted data, are essential in obtaining access to protected information and extracting valuable evidence. This tutorial has provided an overview of these techniques, giving you a glimpse into the advanced aspects of mobile device forensics. In the next tutorial, we will explore specialized tools and software used in mobile device forensics to streamline and enhance the investigation process.